to the vlog. Today's date is Saturday, September 20th, and today I wanted to vlog a Saturday in my life in med school. It's currently 8:07. I'm going to a workout class at 9:15. We have a really fun and kind of packed Saturday ahead of us, and so I did just want to spend a couple of minutes in the vlog to just sit down and catch up and chit chat. I have my coffee, my little honey stinger waffle. These are like the best pre-workout. I love having these in the morning. Pretty much all of August was dedicated to our foundations block, which is essentially our undergraduate molecular cell degree from 4 years of college smushed into 5 weeks. So it was really chaotic. It was super hard, but we passed and we ended up okay. For me, I felt like passing foundations was my indicator of, hey, you actually can do this. You deserve to be here, because everyone says foundations is objectively the hardest block because it's just all like biochemistry and cell biology and nothing connects. Nothing is really, it's really hard to see the connection to medicine because you're just learning like the foundations of medicine. Happy to say we have passed our first block. We have survived. In between school, every weekend is like our happy time because we have our quizzes on Fridays, and so we have protected weekends where we don't have to study, at least like not as much as during the week. Definitely during the weekends, like I focused on spending time with people here, building friendships, exploring the city of Phoenix. The weekend after our foundations final, all of my San Francisco best friends came to visit me. We got a house up in Scottsdale and it was just such a fun and relaxing weekend. I felt like it was exactly what I needed after foundations, and having them here, meeting all of my medical school friends too, that was insanely fulfilling. It made me so happy to have my girls here. And honestly, since then, we've just been smooth sailing it in immunology. This upcoming block is actually, it's 3 topics smushed into one. It's immunology, hematology, and oncology. So study of the immune system, study of blood, study of cancer, which is all really interesting. Definitely objectively more interesting than like the cell cycle and glycolysis. Outside of school, I have been working out a lot. My 2 non-negotiables in medical school have been sleep and exercise. And I feel like it's like such a luxury to be able to say that, because I know like that's not going to be the case for my 3rd year when I start like clinical rotations. As of right now though, I still have been able to really prioritize and balance having sleep and getting daily movement in. With the piece of exercise, I've been trying out so many workout studios here in Phoenix with ClassPass. My favorite one so far has been Groundwork in Phoenix. It is essentially a high intensity lifting class with a bunch of really loud music, and there's lights. The instructors are amazing. And then in addition to exercise, I've also been going to church a lot here. Something I really like about Phoenix and just like the culture around here is that people are really devout and people really value religion, and that's something that I didn't see as much of in San Francisco. I think it's just like the culture of different states and different cities, but I really appreciate that there are so many churches here and people are like loud and proud about their religion here in Arizona. So I've been trying to kind of rediscover what my faith means to me and how it integrates into my life now. I think those are the biggest life updates. Thank you for bearing with me. There's kind of, I feel like there's a lot going on, but also nothing new at the same time. Here's an overview of what today is going to look like. About an hour, I have my workout class from 9:15 to 10:15. Then we'll come back, get ready. I have some time in between working out and then afternoon plans, so I'll either just get work done at home or I'll get groceries, run some errands, etc. This afternoon at around 2-ish, I have a student government meeting because guys, I'm on my class student government. Not a crazy role. I'm with the wellness chair, so like very chill, very fun, but I've never been on like the student government before. I've only ever been on exec for different clubs and orgs. We have a student government like little social gathering this afternoon. Afterwards, my friend Elogia, Eli, and we are filming something for Eli's TikTok. My friend Eli has this like med school medfluencer TikTok. He makes a ton of very informational videos. We are filming for his TikTok today. He does a series where he will interview med students. I have no idea what he's gonna ask us. I think it's some sort of trivia, but I'm really excited, so that should be a lot of fun. That'll take us pretty much until late afternoon, and then finally at night, some of my girlfriends and I are doing a little wine night We are trying out 2 wine bars in Phoenix, Sauvage and then Kid's Sister. I am so excited. During the week, you see everyone kind of in class, but like you don't actually talk to people. Everyone is so focused and so on top of it, and so it's hard for me to keep up my friendships during the week, and so I can't wait to see them and catch up finally now that's the weekend. And 2, I'm just excited for a glass of wine. Like I feel like we haven't really drank wine here in Phoenix yet, and we haven't really found like good wine bars, and so these 2 places, they're like wine bars, and I think they're also potentially like wine cellars, or maybe get in like shipments from all over the world, and so I'm so excited to try some wine today and hang out with the girls and have an amazing night. That was a very long-winded intro, but that is the plan for today. Let's make it an awesome day. I am about to hang up one of my posters in the back right there. Hopefully it works, but I want to give a little quick room tour before I do so. So this is a poster that I do want to hang up here. I have this poster that says love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. I love this bookshelf here. On the top 2 shelves, we have some little baby plants, my perfumes. This is something that my mom used to have, and she passed it down to me, and I've kept it ever since. This little bin carries like my student ID, usually my keys, sunglasses, gum. Purses and Polaroid are down here. And then that is my personal laptop, because my school actually gave me a brand new MacBook to use. It's so awesome. I have my own walk-in bathroom, and it is very, very roomy. A ton of storage, a beautiful shower. I really, really love my desk corner. This is actually a standing desk, and so I can always make it higher if I ever want to stand or fidget as I'm studying. This is just what my desk setup usually looks like. Of course, we have laptop, iPad. I always try to have a candle burning in my room. This is a humidifier because it gets so dry here in Arizona, so I run it every single night. And we have a cute little nightstand. Honestly, nothing too special there. And then of course, my bed. This blanket, how fun. I think I might have showed this in my previous vlog, but this was my going away gift. A beautiful blanket collage with pictures of all of my friends, and I love it so much. I got the print above my bed from Facebook Marketplace, and I love it. It's just a nice Bible verse on it. This corner right here is also a bit of a newer development. We've got a full body mirror, and I do want to hang it up eventually at some point, but I love this little plant corner. I have my snake plant, of course, smack dab in the middle. I've had this snake plant since senior year of college, and it has stayed with me throughout all my moves. This wall right now is very empty, but that's where I'm planning on hanging that wand poster. Then we have a walk-in closet. Actually, a pretty big walk-in closet. I have tried a number of times now to hang up this poster, but it's really heavy. It's at least like, I don't know, 7 to 10 pounds. If you just look, it is slightly crooked. I don't really care. The question is now, let's see how long it'll hold up without falling. We are heading out to our workout now. I'm so excited. It's 8:57. Hopefully we are not running late. Literally every day being here in Phoenix is so great because every day is so sunny and beautiful and warm, and I'm just grateful to be alive. Workout is complete. That was so much fun. Again, I go to Groundwork here in Phoenix. Today's instructor was Christian. He's actually one of the co-owners of Groundwork. Crushed it today and I had so much fun. But now it is time to go home. Let's get ready for the day, have breakfast, and see where else our day takes us. I love our apartment so much. It's so clean and pretty and peaceful, but it's currently 11:18. I'm gonna run to Trader Joe's right now and get some groceries. I'm currently writing my grocery list. I'm gonna write my grocery list for Trader Joe's, and then let's go quickly get some groceries before our student government meeting coming up in a couple hours.
finally done. I didn't like fully straighten my hair. I kind of just ran a straightener through it to like defrizz it, but good enough. Here's our outfit of the day. This little tank top I thrifted off of Depop. Shorts, good gracious. I don't even remember where I got these shorts from. I got them such a long time ago. Truthfully, don't remember. But it's a very vacation day outfit, and I'm just gonna be carrying this cute little purse. So let's go head out and see the rest of the student government.
We're gonna play We're Not Really Strangers right now, so we're really excited.
We are at school now.
On the weekend.
On the weekend, on a Saturday, and we are filming a little video. We are filming for our friend Eli's TikTok account.
Let's see how much they've been studying. Follow at eli.medicine and at eli.science on TikTok.
Okay, hey vlog. It is about 6 p.m. now. I just came home, had some dinner. I am gonna take the next like 30-ish minutes, 45 maybe, to film, because every weekend I still film a little bit of UGC. I only have like a very select number of clients, and so I'm gonna film for one of my clients for this upcoming week, then get ready for our little wine night out. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's been a really fantastic day so far. We are ready for our little wine night. Outfit of the night, this romper I literally got in middle school. We invited some of the girls over for a little pregame, so I think they're gonna get here soon, and I'm so excited.